Doesn't look like it right now, but it's 5 a.m. and we still gotta wash the cars. So we're just gonna wake the rest of the boys up. Thing is, we gotta meet everybody else, the Kamoji gang in downtown, which is like 20 minutes away. They want us to meet all at 6 a.m. sharp, so let's get today started. Special.
I love you, Mom.
Sweet home Alabama.
No.
Yeah.
Nice, we found it. No! My God, are you for the show?
The rub nuts are out, just put it in and we can just go get some Jimmy Well from the store or some shit.
Yeah, okay. Good I am. Seen this online a lot. It's fucking dope.
What's up, man?
What's up, man? Nice to
You on
meet you.
YouTube, man.
Sick car, bro. Oh, you too, man.
Yes.
Hey, yo, what up, guys? We are inside the convention center now, and this is the booth we're gonna be displaying with, the Kamoji guys. Big shout out to Andy, Robert. Thank you guys for allowing me and my buddies to come show with you here in Seattle. Let me show you guys some of the Kamoji style cars because they're all unique in their own right. Honda Beat with Pichu on the side. That's actually pretty dope. So tiny. You can film me, it doesn't matter. Dude. I'm gonna put the KMR one on the top there. Same one we got on the back. It was a 2, man.
It could be a 2.
Yeah.
It could be a 1, 2. The only way to tell is all the things is taken off that like is the indicator.
Dude, this thing's badass. It's my first time seeing a Pandem new BRZ FRS in person, but this one's something a little special. Owner of this beautiful S2K. Same guy who bought this Voltex jacket off us.
It is.
Such a small world, man.
Yeah, dude, it's, oh man.
Sweet. And he repping the KMR gloves. Look at that. Someone who actually puts these to use. Oh, damn. Yeah, man, sick build.
Thank you so much, man. Sorry. My buddy's lost.
I'm just trying to learn from you. All I do is show cars. All right, we took a little walk around. They literally just opened the doors to public. So honestly, we'll save the other half for later, but let's see how the booth is doing because we just left Gutu there. Get one for the vlog, man.
Course,
appreciate
bro,
the support, homie.
Thank you,
Up and
brother.
coming YouTuber. You guys follow this guy.
Oh, thank you, bro. Appreciate
Making a
it.
name for Seattle, dude.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
keep
All
it
right,
up.
bro. Take
Enjoy
care.
the show, you guys. Peace.
I know. I bought 2 that year.
First off, OG hat from 2017. All right, we found some awesome supporters. Yeah, any shout outs you guys want to make?
I love you, Mom. I love you.
No, you guys are awesome, man.
so
Hope to
much.
see you again
Thank you,
for
man.
sure.
Appreciate it. Hey, man, have a good one.
Yeah, thanks for the support, guys. Yeah, enjoy the show. What do you say?
I do this for Mama Crystal Logo.
For Mama Crystal Logo.
Yeah, this is a B series. So this is, it's not a lesser engine, but like, this is Honda's original like tuner motor. So there was a D series, which is kind of the economy motor. This is their kind of a
Upgrade?
motor.
Yeah.
Exactly, yeah, an upgrade.
And then after that's the K's.
Exactly, yeah, the K's took over. So yeah, after 2001-ish, yeah, they came up with the K motor. And the K motor is like their performance motor on steroids.
And like, what's the capabilities? Like, you can get...
Oh dude, it depends on the motor, but like a K20A2 versus a Z1, like both of them can make 500 wheel horsepower easily. This is what I have for the FC, right?
Yeah, now imagine that in a light chassis like this.
Exactly, like this. That's why there's no boost on this, right?
Yeah.
It's because it's probably making like 250, 300 horses,
Yeah.
just NA.
And that also explains why a lot of people love tracking Civics.
Exactly.
They're like the perfect grip monster. Yeah, no, this whole corner lot is fucking sick.
Just all Hondas. It's like the craziest Hondas ever.
Sadly, my side skirt is basically off the car. Like, you can literally pull it off, but it's attached to the front part underneath. So I'm just gonna mask the living shit out of this with masking tape and hope for the best for the whole 12-hour ride home back to Calgary. This is how we do it here, boys. I think that's it. Show's over. It's rollout time. We're going home.
Sweet home out.
No, wrong home, bro. What was I gonna say? Oh yeah. Before we go, actually, one more nice little gathering with the Kimoji crew, because they hosted us, man. I kind of feel bad just piecing, you know. We're gonna go with them to Red Robin, you know, one last greasy American indulgence for us.
What are you here for, my friend? I'm an EV vendor for the
Or an E93, sorry.
Wait. Well, guys, we're literally running on empty right now. Yeah, there's zero gas right now, guys. Oh my god. To be fair, all indoor venues have their super strict safety hazard restrictions, and for cars includes having less than a quarter tank of gas in the fuel tank for you to park inside. I played it a little too safe, and I guess it didn't help that I was popping my exhaust for all the camera ready people waiting outside after the event. Bad decisions, Birdy. Oh, this is such a bad spot.
Jeez.
Oh, we were so close. Should have filled up a little more, man. But where was there a gas station in downtown? Pop came by just to see what was up. He saw the fuel tank empty, and he actually gave us the suggestion to, there's like a out of gas service, a guy who comes around, so maybe he'll be able to fill us up, but he's putting something on the back of my spoiler there, just to make sure people know. Gas.
Fuck, you just came on with no gas?
Yeah, zero.
We left the venue and went to get gas right away.
Oh.
Now we're waiting for Robert. He's gonna bring a
Okay.
gallon.
Thank
or
you
something.
guys.
I saw you. I was like,
Bless,
we'll just
man.
stay.
Bless coming.
What's up, man? I didn't know where to go.
Fucking empty, bro. Gonna wait on Rob. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yo. Oh shit, man. Yo, thanks, dudes.
No problem.
Oh, you guys are lifesavers, Kyle. Thanks, man. Lifesavers. Oh shit. Oh my god, thank you, Andy. Oh my gosh. Stupid. We gooch!
It's all in good fun.
Yeah.
Before you turn it on, put it in accessory mode, let the fuel pump prime, and then turn it on. There we go!
Success! Yeah! Fuck, let's get off the highway!
I had a little too fun with that. Hey you look familiar. It's like I saw you. I just like I just saw you on the highway just 2 seconds ago.
Oh, yeah, I was out of gas actually. Thanks for helping.
Which I think is like a American restaurant. Is Red Robin American?
I'm pretty sure it doesn't exist in Canada.
Yeah.
So all the Kamoji crew, God bless these kids, booked it down the hill. Unfortunately, the Red Robin was a good ways away from the actual parking lot. It was at the top of the hill, but luckily somebody saw what was happening from inside, and even the servers were in shock.
Yo, some dude tried to steal this fucking pink Miata, and that's far. It was parked over there in the line of the mouse.
Damn.
I wonder what's spooked them.
These guys are amazing for friendship. Just blocking in the Miata just in case. Eventful night, Tim?
It is very eventful. Jesus Christ.
Over greasy
That'll
foods.
be wild, dude.
No kidding, man. Check it out, guys. Cops are here now. Going over the festivities. Food's here. Feels so bad. Untouched. It's all gonna get cold. Let's see the damage.
So Sammy's got the dude's just straight up face. Like he like stood in front of Sammy's car and like looked for a minute. So we have like everything.
Okay,
on
that's
in,
good, man.
Full description. We don't have a plate though. It didn't pick up a plate. So I'm gonna pull my footage tonight and email it in, see if I can't get the plate because I don't know how he drove through here. They got in, they ripped the wires out, they hot wired it. But so Sammy hit his car alarm, which kind of spooked him, and we don't think he disconnected the wires.
Right.
So he got it in gear and he started moving, but the thing is when you clutch in and the wires are still connected, it's as if the car's trying to tell itself to start again.
Yeah.
So every time he would clutch in, it was like cranking an already cranked car.
I mean, the window is just down a bit.
Well. One last fill up at a Chevron before heading back across the border. Probably relaxed a little bit in Vancouver, but then, you know what, it's like straight shot back to Calgary because we've been on the road for a little too long. It only took 70 bucks to fill.
Okay, that's fine.
I gave that dude 100 bucks. I'm feeling generous tonight. Keep the change. No, the hell I ain't. So guess where we're at, guys? Oh man.
Oh man.
Yikes, Sonny, what up, dude?
What
Can you
up?
hold this? Sorry. We got some explanations to do. Oh my god, guys. Just got stopped coming through the Canadian border. That never happens.
Always the US.
My heart was beating there for a second, but at the same time, it was like one thing led to another that made him just think like, you know what, these guys are probably on something. You know, like the marijuana air freshener. I was asleep, so I was kind of just like dazed. And Sonny, your seatbelt.
Oh.
And then Sonny, for the driver's license photo, he scanned his passport. So the lady was like, one of the first questions she asked, like, are you guys bringing back any marijuana?
Bro, I'm not well traveled. I've never seen that in my life. I just saw a scan card here and I'm like, look at this. We didn't fill out this arrive can thing.
That's right.
Yeah, that was another thing that she was very anal about.
We're on our way home now. Good morning. It feels so fresh outside. Final stretch. Seriously. Finally get to see my son today. I miss my dog. Oh shit. There's a puddle here.
Nice at night.
Apparently it's healing, right?
I guess so.
Your verdict is Zoa is the best energy drink.
I like it. I didn't crash. I didn't have trouble sleeping.
It healed your eyes.
Pretty good.
Rockin' some more in my veins, my culture bang was straight, just changed again, so what's my motherfucking name? Rock!
We were trying to search for somewhere to eat in Merritt, and there's absolutely zero pho here. The nearest one is 45 minutes away in Kamloops, but we're heading that direction anyway, so we're gonna eat pho in Kamloops.
I'm addicted to your love, to your love, your love. I'm never gonna get enough. I'm a sucker for your love, for your love, your love. I'm never gonna get enough.
This place actually legitimately is pho and donuts. The hell? Oh my god! In Calgary, before there was one Rutgers. I didn't know it still exists. That's crazy. Appetizers? You know it. Oh, perfect. Thank you. I feel.
Yeah, we have to
Richie.
You do that?
No, it's,
Are you
it's
sure?
yeah, for my supporters, man. Appreciate it, yeah.
I'm Steven, by the way.
Steven, pleasure,
nice to
man.
meet ya.
Nice to meet you, bro. That's awesome.
It's
This
just
is
cool
a
to-
small world.
It's cool to meet you.
For sure, man.
And just that you inspire people that you can make it doing what you like. So
Yo, yeah. Kind words, man. Appreciate
man.
it. Yeah, yeah. You
So-
good vibes, man. That's
Yeah.
it. You just have fun, right?
yeah, man, for sure.
All right. Well, Steven, yeah, nice, pleasure
One day
to meet
if
you.
I ever get a car again.
Yeah, good luck, man, with
All right, man.
everything, and cheers.
Yeah,
Yeah,
thanks.
thanks
Take
for
care.
the support, bro. Can't believe there's a Rutgers here. Last fill up in Revelstoke, still 4 hours away, but almost there, home stretch for sure. Just wanted to show you guys how the side skirt's holding up. I mean, tape's still intact. This is pure deja vu. This actually reminds me of the time I first trekked long distance with a freshly wide-bodied car, the Panda Ratchetbacker FRS. Damn. There it is, my Ratchetbacker.
Show me loving.
Not today, Golden RCM.
We know better. I'm sorry. I apologize on it.
Just show me loving. I need your loving.
Guys, we're home. We made it.
I still got 20 minutes.
I guess these guys still gotta go home. This thing did well, Supra. Oh, I don't want to keep you anymore. Go get your rest. Appreciate everything.
Good last ride.
Sunny, yeah.
For the last 5 hours.
Dude,
5 hours straight.
no kidding, right? Yeah, this thing is like, do you need a coffee break or something?
Yeah, like it's so weird. Like it's just like it's on hydraulics on the back. Like it just bounces so much.
It's
on
scary.
every road.
It's freaking scary. And if it catches momentum, and I'm not doing like the stoppy where he's like braking and stuff,
Basketball.
this thing needs coils. All right, team. Good effort. Thanks for leaving Calgary with me for 10 freaking days.
That was fun as fuck.
What an
First time going to
adventure.
America, dog. I'm
That's
pretty
true.
happy about that.
Yeah. No, you guys rest easy. Appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you.
Oh yeah, I'm a rest.
Thank you guys. We'll see you in the next vlog. Hey. Oh my goodness. Come on. Hey, buddy. Oh my gosh. Remember me? Oh my goodness. Long time, right?